Hello all and welcome to the channel Tech and More. Are you new to the Salesforce development and do you find it difficult to install and configure different IDs like VS Code to your system? If it is so, then we have come up with the best alternative for it, which is very easy and handy to use. That is Lighting Studio. So why Lighting Studio is easy than VS Code or other IDs? Because it is not like other IDs that you have to install it and configure it in your system. It is not a web app. It is a browser extension. So for using Lightning Studio, you just need to go to your browser and type in Lightning Studio and add it to your browser. That is just a two-click process. So that's why it is handy and easy to use than other IDs. So if you are a beginner, you should try Lightning Studio. Let's suppose you are given a project or you have started to learn LWC. So you cannot directly create a light LWC component directly from developer console because it is not supported there. So you can create Aura component using developer console but not LWC. For that you need to download and install different ID if you don't have that. So rather than wasting so much time downloading and installing that particular ID, you can just click on Lightning Studio and create your LWC component and use it. So let's quickly jump into the video and see how it exactly works. So here I am on the Chrome browser. I will type Lightning Studio for Lightning Studio Chrome extension. Click on first link, click on add to Chrome and then add extension. It will hardly take 2 to 3 seconds and it is already installed into your Chrome. Now you can log in your org. You can log in to the sandbox as well. So it will work on sandboxes as well. Now you can click on the extension icon and Lightning Studio. If you have not logged into your org, it will not be enabled. So Lightning Studio will be enabled only when you have logged into your respective org. So now you can see the Lightning Studio and it has three type of components. One is Apex classes, Lightning messaging channels, and then Lightning web components. You can create all the three type of components using uh, Lightning Studio. So for this particular video, we are going to create Lightning web components. Also one more thing, it will fetch all the components, respective components in the Lightning Studio console. So if I have any Apex classes, it will show them Lightning messaging services as well and Lightning web components. I have two Lightning web components already there in my org. So these are visible. I don't have other components like Apex classes and LMS in my org. So these are not visible here. So let's create a new component. So before creating a new Lightning web components, I want to discuss about this targets tab. So let's say you want to create a Lightning web component and use it on the quick action. So you can directly click on record quick action here, this checkbox, or you want to add it to the record page, app page, home page. So you can accordingly click on those particular checkboxes and it will be ready to use. It will create a XML out of it and you can directly use it on those particular places. But this is not with the case of other IDs like VS Code because there you need to manually add those particular line of code to enable the Lightning web components to be added to those particular pages like record page, app page, home page, or somewhere else. Okay. So this is a major advantage of using Lightning Studio. Also, there is these particular checkboxes like is exposed, include CSS file or SVG file. So you can directly create those files clicking on this checkbox. Also, you can expose your LWC component by using this is expose button. And this is for the version control, like which version you want to use for your LWC component. So let me create a new component, which is test LWC. for TAM. Okay. And I want to expose it. I want to use it on the community page layout, and I want to use it on app page and home page. Okay. So once I'll click on deploy, it will automatically create this lighting web component in the org itself. So let me just go to the org and click on setup. And now lightning components. So under lightning components, you can see we have created test LWC for TAM, and that is a type of LWC component which is already deployed here. So one thing to note here is both Aura and LWC are lightning components, but LWC can be created using IDs and Aura can be created using developer console. So when you go to developer console, and click on new and under lightning component, so you can create a Aura component. So you can see the bundle which is created. So that is of Aura component. This is not for lightning. And you can see the tags as well. So Aura component, these tags are for Aura component, and for LWC, the tags are template. So you cannot create LWC components using Salesforce developer console. Let's say I'm creating a lightning button here. Okay. So it gives suggestions also. You can directly type in and then click on enter, and it will uh, create lightning button for you. So there is a syntax error. Let us try to save it. It will show that there is a syntax error. So now let us resolve this syntax error, and now Control S, and now it is successfully saved as well as deployed to the org. So like this, if whenever you are doing any changes, just click on Command S or Control S, and it will directly deploy the changes to your org real time. So you need not to deploy it like other IDs. We need to make a connection. First of all, we need to make a connection and then deploy. So here the connection is already there. And also you can see that we have enabled it for three places. So you can see in the targets, it is already there that it is enabled for lightning community page layout, home page and app page. And it is exposed as true. So like this, you can make changes in JS, you can make changes in HTML, and then just by the click of one button like Command S or Control S, you can save it. Hope you like this video, and if you find any difficulty working with Lighting Studio, please do let us know and add a comment in the video. We will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. Thanks.